Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at OKX. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their wallet, the information you need to know about the OKB token, and much more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest Whale to the Moon coin. Let's get into it. OKX is a low-cost, centralized crypto exchange platform with more than 20 million clients worldwide. This exchange offers over 340 cryptocurrencies, including DeFi tokens, futures, and options. You are also able to trade all the most popular cryptocurrencies with OKX. In 2017, StarZoo created OKX, which is now available in many countries around the world. They offer hundreds of crypto trading pairs and NFTs, plenty of educational resources and trading guides, as well as referral rewards and affiliate programs. OKX offers both a proprietary trading platform and a secure crypto wallet, which supports DeFi tokens and NFTs. So it is a centralized exchange that supports Web3 and dApps, giving you the best of both worlds. By signing up with OKX, you can increase your earnings through a referral program and high-yield staking opportunities. Or you can complete tasks to earn free crypto. And if you are new to crypto trading, they offer plenty of beginner tutorials and guides to help you learn and get started. OKX currently offers more than 340 cryptocurrencies, and you can trade spot markets, futures, options, perpetual swaps, and leveraged assets. The cryptocurrencies offered range from traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, to DeFi and GameFi tokens from decentralized protocols such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, and Spell Token. The OKX customer support team can be contacted 24 hours a day via live chat or telephonically. You can find their contact details by scrolling to the bottom of the homepage and clicking on the Contact Us option under the About section. You can also follow and contact them on most social media platforms, including Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, and Discord. OKX offers a powerful mobile and desktop exchange platform that you can use to trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies. This app is Web3 compatible, and you can connect it to your OKX wallet, which can be used to store all kinds of cryptocurrencies, including DeFi tokens from protocols like Compound, Woo Network, Bancor, and many others. The OKX wallet can be used to access dApps and store NFTs, and you can visit the NFT marketplace to buy your first NFT or add more to your collection. OKX is also a great option for artists who are interested in selling their creations as NFTs. All you need to do is upload an image, audio, or video file, name it, and set the royalty fee you would like to earn from sales, or you can mint NFTs for a fraction of the cost you would pay on Ethereum. If you would like to use smart contracts and dApps, you need to create a wallet and buy tokens for those protocols. We recommend using the OKX wallet because it can be connected to all the protocols that are listed on the site, and you can store many different tokens in this wallet, instead of opening multiple wallets for each protocol you are using. You can also earn high-yield interest by staking your digital assets with OKX, or use the cryptocurrencies you have as collateral for the cryptocurrencies you would like to take out as loans on more than 20 assets. OKX also offers a launchpad platform known as Jumpstart, and more than 1.5 million people follow the projects that are launched on this platform. Whether you're a project developer looking for exposure and high liquidity, or an investor seeking exciting new projects to support, Jumpstart is the platform for you. More than $122 billion has been raised by the Jumpstart platform, and if you would like to launch your project on Jumpstart or see what's new, click on the Grow tab and select the Jumpstart option. If you are new to crypto trading, we would recommend checking out the educational section. Simply click on the Learn tab and you will be redirected to a page where you will find all sorts of beginners tutorials to guide you along the account creation process and buying your first cryptocurrency. You will also find trading ideas and industry analysis here. You should also keep the blockchain glossary on hand in case you come across any unfamiliar terms. OKX offers a demo account that you can use to trade risk-free in a simulated trading environment, making it one of the best and safest crypto exchanges for beginners. There are also several ways to increase your earnings with OKX. If you download the OKX application, you will earn free Bitcoin for signing in for 7 days in a row and for completing tasks on the website. You can also earn a mystery box worth $2,000 if you buy or deposit $50 worth of cryptocurrency, or if you invite your friends to join OKX and they successfully sign up. With the OKX Web Trader, you can choose between trading manually or using a trading bot. And if you choose to automate your trades, there are several templates that you can choose from and customize to help you achieve your trading goals. OKX uses the OKB utility token to power the ecosystem. By owning OKB, you can save up to 40% on trading fees, and you can earn passive income with OKX Earn. You will also be able to participate in Jumpstart token sales, and you can spend OKB on a variety of financial services and utilities like Crypto Hopper, Coin Rule, and Saturn Network. The value of OKB stays high through a burning process that reduces the total circulating supply of OKB tokens. There are currently 300 million OKB tokens in total. In order to buy OKB, either buy it directly from the exchange or click on the More tab to open the menu and select OKB to learn more about it. You will be redirected to a page where you can click on the Buy button to buy OKB instantly. OKX offers a secure Web3 compatible wallet that can be used to store all types of cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and DeFi tokens. You can connect your wallet by either using the OKX Wallet extension on your desktop or by scanning the barcode using the OKX application. Once you have connected your wallet, you will be able to buy, sell, and stake all kinds of cryptocurrencies, and you can also use this wallet to access dApps and buy and store NFTs. If you are buying OKB from another exchange, you can store it in a third-party wallet, such as MetaMask and Phantom. However, we highly recommend using the OKX wallet to get the most out of your OKB tokens. You can easily create an account with OKX in a few easy steps. firstly launch the OKX homepage and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and account and submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Once you have created your account, connected your wallet, and downloaded the application, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You can buy crypto using cards, peer-to-peer trading, or third-party applications, and you will be able to buy crypto in your native or preferred currency. OKX accepts Visa cards and MasterCard, and you can also use Simplex, MoonPay, Coinify, or Banksa to buy cryptocurrencies. You can also use the peer-to-peer exchange to buy and sell crypto, and many payment methods are supported when you purchase cryptocurrencies this way. So what do we like about OKX? OKX is a centralized exchange, which makes it more secure. However, it also offers a Web3 compatible wallet that can be used to access dApps and DeFi tokens. So you have the security of a centralized exchange with the innovation of a decentralized exchange. You can also automate your trades with OKX, which saves you a great deal of time and gives you an opportunity to experiment with different strategies to see what style of trading you prefer the most. Whether you are trading crypto for the first time and you require some guidance, or you are just looking for new ways to diversify your portfolio and explore Web3 and the metaverse, OKX could be the exchange you've been searching for. If what you're looking for is a multi-purpose, beginner-friendly centralized exchange with the features of a decentralized exchange, then we recommend opening an account with OKX. Remember, if your friends join OKX, both of you will receive a mystery box, so why wait? If you are interested, be sure to open your account today and bring a friend along with you to claim your mystery box and get a look at one of the leading crypto exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of OKX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.